Welcome to How to Live in Japan channel. 皆さん、おはよう、こんにちは、そしてこんばんは。Today, I will talk about a mobile company that offers a 1-year free mobile service. There are quite a lot of mobile companies in Japan, so it's difficult to know what is the best deal. Recently in Japan, mobile companies that are free of charge for 1 year has become a hot topic. This mobile company is of really good value, so I would like to share the information with you. If you watch the video to the end, you will know the 1-year free mobile service details, advantages, and disadvantages. By the way, we share Japanese life information on this channel for foreigners living in Japan. I think this channel will be helpful and interesting for you. We provide information, research, and summarized by our native Japanese members. Please subscribe to this channel. 1-year free mobile service provided by Rakuten Mobile. This mobile company is one of the 4 major mobile companies in Japan. Rakuten Mobile is one of the businesses of Rakuten Group, which main business is Rakuten Ichiba. This is the highest selling online shopping site in Japan. And Amazon Japan has the second highest sales. Rakuten Mobile is a young company that officially launched on April 8, 2020. Rakuten is in a situation where it is increasing its base stations very quickly. However, there are still many places that cannot be covered by its own line area, so the company rent the lines of major mobile companies such as au and Docomo to supplement the range. One of the features of Rakuten Mobile is that it is overwhelmingly cheaper than the other 3 major carriers. The reason seems to be that if a new contractor also uses other services of the Rakuten Group, it will be profitable. Another feature is that it mainly deals with online contracts rather than in-store contracts. Most people apply online, but you can also apply at a physical store. The number of physical stores is small compared to other major mobile companies, but there are about 600 stores nationwide. That's about a quarter of what other companies do. Now, let's talk about the actual contract details. First of all, it's free for 1 year. And of course, communication and calling charges are free and there are no contract fees. Calls are free only when you make a call using the dedicated app Rakuten Link. Calling overseas is also free to Japan in 66 countries designated by Rakuten. For international calls outside Japan, call charges will be charged according to the call duration. If you pay for the 980 yen unlimited international call plan, you can make unlimited calls in 66 countries. In terms of communication, you can use it as much as you want without speed restrictions in the Rakuten area where Rakuten's base station is located. In areas where au or Docomo lines are rented, there's no communication limit up to 5 gigabyte, but if it exceeds, the speed will be limited to 1 Mbps. Although it's only 1 Mbps, you can watch normal quality videos on YouTube without any problems. Or you can even watch How to Live in Japan videos. This is the communication area page of Rakuten's homepage. Dark pink is the Rakuten line area, light pink the area of the partner company, and the purple is Rakuten's future area. Please check the URL in the description box below. By the way, in case of areas of overseas partner companies, there's no communication limit up to 2 gigabyte, and if it exceeds, it will be limited to 128 kbps. During the 1-year free campaign, you can get points for 5,000 yen if you make a new contract, and you can get points for 28,000 yen if you bought a smartphone at the time of purchase. The application for this very advantageous mobile phone rate plan is until 11:59 p.m. on April 7th. If you think it's a great plan but still hesitating whether to apply or not, how about having it as your spare or second phone? Unlike other mobile companies, Rakuten Mobile does not have a 2-year contract. In other words, it doesn't cost money to cancel at any time. And in Japan, it's quite rare. You can apply from the Rakuten Mobile website or at the 600 physical stores nationwide. At last, I will tell you the disadvantages of Rakuten Mobile. First, there are smartphones that do not support Rakuten SIM card. So even if you insert the SIM card to an incompatible phone, it would still not work. Check the URL for a list of compatible models in the description box below. Second, you have to make the settings yourself after you apply online or receive the SIM card. When doing these things, it can be difficult for foreigners to do on their own. So I recommend applying at a physical store. If you apply at the actual store, you can use your mobile phone on the same day, and the staff will make the necessary settings. Third, customer support is hard to reach. It's quite difficult to connect. If you have any questions or problems, I recommend that you go to the actual store. Fourth, radio waves are difficult to connect. Since Rakuten Mobile is a young company, there are places where the line is not yet covered compared to other companies. If you go to the back of the building or the countryside, you may be out of service or the call voice may be bad. What do you think about Rakuten Mobile? If your mobile phone charges are high, why not sign up? Which mobile carrier are you using? Please let us know in the comment section below. We also welcome your questions and impressions of the video. Thank you very much for watching. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Japan Life info. See you in our next video.